Hello, future myself. It is you again, and I'm just checking in with you because as of now, I think you're teaching or about to teach, but somehow the situations are not as they are on the books. I want to tell you that you can take advantage of all the things that you have learned so far. You have learned that some issues in your classroom are not your fault. They might be socioeconomical, crude realities on your students that is causing this friction. You have learned that homework may be a very good tool, an important tool for your students to excel mathematically, but that could also affect them negatively, assuming their realities. Here you are, you're a raptor. Every school will have these mini empires, and then you have to create routines, and then you will have your little kingdom. So try to make that place of yours, your kingdom, your classroom, a place that students can smile like that. Be aware of the time. Somehow, many of your students will require extra time. And that time, you may not be able to provide them, to give to them, not even that attention that they deserve and they need. So make every single lesson or class full of excitement. Believe in them. Don't judge them. And if what you've learned from the academia doesn't match with the reality, or you are in disagreement with even that crude reality, then bring that peace in, bring that positivity, bring that hope. You know, all your students are not going to be mathematicians, right? They're not numbers. Don't think of them as numbers. They're of much more value. And take advantage of those minutes that you have with them. As a check in, my future teacher, and I know you can't control your student's life, your co-worker's life, your environment life, your many things on your life, Focus on what you can do to elicit those students mathematically and to help them to develop a growth mindset, mathematically speaking.